morning. It's like 8 o'clock, 8:30. We're gonna check the flea market. Not sure if it's open. Here's our Vespa. Good morning, Vespa.
Change of plans. The flea market was closed and now we found this super pretty garden here. Pretty sick view.
I think we're gonna grab a coffee right now.
Okay, off we go. You ready?
Ready, born ready.
There's actually normally the flea market. We found this coffee spot here called Copenhagen Coffee Lab. Looks good. 90 cents for an espresso is kind of good deal. Okay, meanwhile we're back at the apartment because we have to produce some content.
I have to dance to this music. It's a casting for one really big commercial. I hope I get it. I will get it for sure. Time for
Homemade breakfast.
got some mango, peaches. Francesca from Fernell made this beautiful breakfast. Like 10 minutes ago, we didn't have chaos, and that happens so often. The creative chaos. Let's take the breakfast in my mouth.
Okay, our Uber driver just dropped us
Fifth
at the
floor.
Airbnb. 5th floor, no lift. Get ready.
Did you put stones inside? And we did a check-in.
Yeah,
How much we paid?
30 euros.
Yeah, it's also with a balcony, and it's like a shared apartment.
So now we're gonna hit the city again.
We still didn't drive with the tram. Okay, let's check the tram.
I'm sorry, I don't have it smaller. Is it okay?
Damn. See, a lot of people are wearing masks outside. That's the place where we go. I think it's time for
Pastel de nata, maybe.
It's supposed to be the second best pastel de nata. We have
see
to
about
compare it with the one from Belém. We got the pastel. Francesca already tried without the cinnamon, and I'm gonna try it now. Let's see if it's better than the one from yesterday.
I say the one from yesterday was better. More.
It's also good. It's hard to say. The cream is a bit different. It's a bit more liquid, I think. I don't know. I would say the one from yesterday was 9.9 and this one was 9.8.
Okay. Short espresso break.
It's just so cool, this bar.
They also have pastel de nata. Actually, you also have to try this to see how it is.
I just had 2 pastéis de nata, so if I have another one, probably I will get like sugar overdose. Now a little bit of coffee. The coffee looks really good though.
Yeah. Snacking. This is for me. I just got a paprika and I'm eating it like an apple. Love it. Shake a snack before dinner. Peanuts is always a must. Like a key. If you're kinda hungry.
Yeah, probably like a half a kilo of peanuts. Huh?
The fly is like.
Fly is fucking annoying. I'm getting so nervous because it's already like 5 minutes flying by. Okay, let's check.
Okay, where are we now?
We are at one viewpoint. It's actually a little bit windy.
It's really windy actually. And a little bit foggy, but the view here is really nice.
While driving, it's fresh. And now we got 2 beers to cheer.
Yeah. 2 beers, some live music here.
Life is good.
Cheers. Alright, we finished the beer. And now we're gonna... I can feel it already. And now we're gonna check out one more Sandana place.
Good that you're not driving. And luckily it was a small beer, so...
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I don't feel it. But that's a good spot, I would say.
But it's really windy and cold. It's like 23 degrees now, and it's cold.
And just to let you know that in the morning it was like 33.
Yesterday was 38, and to be honest, that was my climate where I feel comfortable.
Okay, so now we're gonna check another spot for sunset. Let's see it.
Okay, now we're at the next sundial place actually.
It's actually really cold.
And we're really jealous of these guys because we have a pretty sick view from up here.
Actually, it was really windy there, so
Yeah.
we said we have to go back. We have to find a spot to eat.
Yep.
What do you want to eat?
I think today we're craving something fresh, like a salad with some nice bread and olive oil.
Agree.
Yeah, so let's see if we can find it.
Fit.
Okay, we found a dinner place. Just saw that on Google, and since it was nearby, we're gonna check it. We just ordered the food.
Yeah, we're gonna share everything, like a couple of falafel, salad.
Yeah.
And it was, I think it's gonna be good. I like the atmosphere
Yeah,
already.
it's a like open kitchen.
Just look what a cool shirt Francesca got.
That's the one I got from the vintage store.
Looks nice.
Okay, we got a little salad, some French bread, hummus, which is actually really nice.
And some beer.
And here's the falafel roll. But so far, we can really recommend this place. It's really, really nice. Okay, let's enjoy. Finished. Was really good. It was fresh and yeah, highly recommend.
Okay, so we parked the Vespa. We have to say bye to our baby. Ciao.
We just ordered an Uber to get back to
Airbnb. Uber is very cheap, right?
Yeah, it's like so cheap. You cannot imagine.
It's Uber, motherfucker.
If you don't want to rent a car, I think Uber is a good thing.
So
Yeah.
this is the place that we rented, Guadamodo. The guy was super nice. So definitely recommend this for Vespa rentals. And actually it's pretty funny because in Portugal, you can drive 125cc just with a car license. Because I think in Germany or in Slovenia, you have to have like a proper bike driver's license. You have to be more than 25, I guess. All right, so I think that was it from beautiful Lisbon from today.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
We just decided to stop in Nazaré. Don't be gentle to the rental.
In this case, yes, because Fiat Cinquecento is a nice Italian lady.